Here's some regeneration in biology trivia. Subscribe. What term describes the process of replacing lost or damaged tissues? Is it A, mitosis, B, atrophy, C, regeneration, or D, scarring? The correct answer is C, regeneration. Which amphibian is famous for its regenerative abilities? Is it A, lizard, B, turtle, C, axolotl, or D, crayfish? The correct answer is C, axolotl. What structure in planarians allows for regeneration? Is it A, muscle tissue, B, zap cells, C, brain neurons, or D, neoblasts? The correct answer is D, neoblasts. What is the primary regeneration strategy in echinoderms? Is it A, fission, B, fragmentation, C, autotomy, or D, budding? The correct answer is C, autotomy. Which mammal can regenerate its spinal cord? Is it A, echinoderm, B, dolphin, C, human, or D, elephant? The correct answer is A, echinoderm. Which genus of salamander is known for regeneration? Is it A, salamandra, B, plethodon, C, ichthyosaura, or D, ambystoma? The correct answer is D, ambystoma. Which liver organ can regenerate after partial removal? Is it A, pancreas, B, liver, C, stomach, or D, gallbladder? The correct answer is B, liver. What cellular process is involved in tissue regeneration? Is it A, metabolism, B, apoptosis, C, photosynthesis, or D, cell division? The correct answer is D, cell division. What term describes the regrowth of lost limbs in certain species? Is it A, tissue healing, B, limb regeneration, C, cell proliferation, or D, bone fusion? The correct answer is B, limb regeneration. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.